Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. Tonight we're starting in the kitchen. We're going to put all of these groceries away, clean up in the kitchen a little, and then I have laundry to fold and a few other things before bed. So I hope you'll clean along with me so we can get our homes clean together. Now let's refresh this house. This isn't all of our groceries because I'd put the perishable items away before we put the girls to bed, but I thought you might like to see some of our staples from Kroger. Do any of these items make it to your grocery lists?
When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
After I finish getting these groceries put away, I really have to clean the bar stools. The girls sit at the counter often and so many food and water marks get on them.
Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer.
This is so silly, but I love that the raisin container from the store fits perfectly in our kitchen canisters. It's the little things.
Same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I know you're hurt. I can see it in your eyes, babe. You need to let your mind off things. No, it hurts. I can see it in your eyes, babe. But I know you have a lot to give. I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm I know you're strong to get yourself together.
I had to check to see if the dishwasher was clean or dirty. I guess it's a good thing, but it still smelled fresh, so I was checking to see if the bowls were dirty. Also, if you're wondering why this pillow is sitting on the windowsill, we put it there temporarily because it had a hole in the seam and we didn't want the girls to take out the stuffing. That would have been such a mess.
Against your dark clouds, I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds, I will always be your guiding light. Oh, I'll be your guiding light. One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go in and out, one thorn, and we break. Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out, get me through all the layers of you. Get me through. In and out.
Wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
As always, I'm cleaning these chairs with Dawn dish soap and water, and I'll show you how I make sure they're dry for the next day.
For in life, call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Kelsey and Lana were coloring in a coloring book on this table, and there are some marks left behind, but I'm going to leave that for tomorrow.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
When I can, I like to fold the laundry right after it's finished in the dryer, but today I didn't leave enough time for that before work. So I took the pieces out that I knew would get really wrinkled and hung them over the treadmill for tonight.
You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I
I rarely use a laundry basket so that I'm not tempted to let the clothes sit in the basket for too long, but I had a lot of socks, so I thought I'd need it to carry everything upstairs to put away.
Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. But you know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time. We all play our part. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Go on now, change your dreams, everything. Go on now.
That's all for this one. I can sit on top of my dryer because it's all cleared off, so that's a good thing. I'm going to go take a bath, fix my chip nail polish, and go to bed. I hope you got some things done from your to-do list, and I'll see you next time. Bye.